Say hello to Parent-Teacher Chat right in the InterMountain Virtual Learning Academy app. See district and school news and events, and now access classroom-specific announcements and Parent-Teacher Chat. Click Rooms in the bottom right to easily switch from district-wide and school-wide news to class streams and messaging. Once logged in, you can access your students' classes. In the menu, you'll see that class's stream, assignments, and messages. The class stream is where you'll find updates from each teacher with their announcements and upcoming assignments. Send a message to the class teacher by clicking the plus button and selecting their name. Switch to another class by clicking on the class drop-down. Click School App on the bottom right while in Rooms to switch back to district and school news and events. To turn on push notifications for district, school, and classroom notifications, tap Settings and select Push Notifications. Say hello to Parent-Teacher Chat.